Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam.
When Devhuti would enter that lovely garden to take her bath in the pond filled with lotus flowers, the associates of the denizens of heaven, the Gandharvas, would sing about Kardama's glorious household life. Her great husband, Kardam, gave her all protection at all times. The ideal husband and wife relationship is very nicely described in this statement. Kardam Muni gave Devhuti all sorts of comforts in his duty as a husband, but he was not at all attached to his wife. As soon as his son, Kapil Dev, was grown up, Kardam at once left all family connection. Similarly, Devhuti was the daughter of a great king, Swayambhuva Manu, and was qualified and beautiful, but she was completely dependent on the protection of her husband. According to Manu, women, the fair sex, should not have independence at any stage of life. In childhood, a woman must be under the protection of the parents. In youth, she must be under the protection of the husband. And in old age she must be under the protection of the grown children. Devhuti demonstrated all these statements of the Manu Samhita in her life. As a child she was dependent on her father, later she was dependent on her husband, in spite of her opulence, and she was later on dependent on her son, Kapildev.